Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the BMW X7 front bumper. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including Torx bits, 8mm sockets, and plastic trim removal tools. Safety is paramount, so begin by properly jacking up the front of your vehicle and securing it with sturdy jack stands. Crucially, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Next, for optimal access, remove both front tires. This provides ample space to work within the wheel wells. Proceed to carefully remove the front half wheel well liners on both the driver and passenger sides. Then, locate and detach the approximately 10 screws positioned underneath the vehicle, which secure the bumper cover to the undercarriage. Finally, gently pop off the front wheel arch trim on each side, releasing its 4 latch mechanisms. Now, open the hood and carefully remove the front grille by gently pressing down on its plastic clips. If your BMW X7 has a front camera, remember to disconnect its wiring harness. Next, you will find 2 8mm screws on each side that join the bumper cover to the front quarter panel. Remove these. Afterward, gently release the 2 latch mechanisms on each side that firmly hold the bumper cover into the quarter panel. Before the final removal, identify and disconnect any electrical plugs for sensors located inside each wheel well. These are typically the bottom connections. Then, carefully pull each side of the bumper panel away from the latch mechanisms situated under the headlights. If needed, use a plastic trim panel tool to gently assist in releasing any stubborn or fragile clips. Once all fasteners and electrical connections are free, the entire front bumper cover can be carefully removed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.